Alright guys, Bass Drop Keys, your friendly neighborhood Negro, and welcome to another episode of Good Eats. In today's episode guys, we got a good one for you today. We're going to do some homemade popsicles, and you know it's Good Eats 420 style. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's do it! Alright guys, Bass Drop Keys here, back with another one. Before we get this video started, let's thank today's sponsor, magicalbutter.com. Use my name, Bass Drop Keys, to get 20% off your order with magicalbutter.com. Alright guys, so today we got a great one. We're doing homemade popsicles, Good Eats 420 style. This right here is the mold that I'm going to be using. I got this kit off of Amazon. It's a great kit. It comes with the popsicle mold, the sticks. You actually get the bags as well if you want to do the popsicles in the bag, the funnel, and the other accessories. So this is a good kit right here. I got this off of Amazon. I will put the link in the description if you want to get the same kit that I'm using right here. So today what we're going to do is we're going to do two different types of popsicles. We're going to be doing a strawberry and mango popsicle, and then we're going to be doing an orange and creamsicle popsicle. We're going to be using the food processor. If you're interested in getting the exact food processor that I have, I will put that link in the description as well. With this recipe, as with all my others, if you don't want to medicate it, you can still make a great treat just as the recipe is. But if you want to medicate it, like you know what we're going to do, then I'm going to definitely show you how to kick it up a notch. So without any further ado, let's get to business. Oh yeah, if you want to get the exact recipe of everything that I'm doing, as always, go ahead and click that link that's in the description. It's going to take you over to goodeats420.com, where I will give you the exact recipe, the video, tips, pictures, everything that you need. Make sure while you're over there, if I've taught you how to do anything, make sure that you submit a post, whether it's rolling up a recipe. Make sure you submit a post, and that way everybody that comes to the site, we do get 10,000 monthly visitors every month to goodeats420.com. Submit a post so that way everybody can see what you've made, and it will actually help the community out as well. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into this recipe. The first one that we're going to do is going to be the strawberry mango popsicles. Let's go ahead and get into it right now. Here we go. Alright guys, so we're going to start with the strawberries first. I've taken them, and as you can see, I've cut them up here. Let's go ahead and add them in. Now these are fresh strawberries, but you can use frozen if need be. Oh, I dropped one. He's trying to get away. I got him. So like I was saying, these are fresh strawberries, but if you want to use frozen strawberries, that's going to be fine as well, no problem. So the strawberries themselves, this also goes for the mangoes. That's enough sweetness in it by itself. So if you're not medicating this, you don't have to put any extra sugar in it or honey or anything like that. If you're doing just straight up popsicles, you're going to use just the strawberries and just the mangoes. You guys know we're doing ours Good Eats 420 style. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take our special honey, our medicated honey, and we're going to add some in here. Let's go ahead and do that. Here we go. Very nice. Medicated honey. If you don't know how to make this, click the link in the description. It'll take you over, and I'll show you how to make it. Alright, so we got our strawberries in there. We got our special honey in there. All we got to do now is make this into a puree. Let's go ahead and do it. So I'm going to just post it a couple of times, and then, you know how to make a puree. Here we go. And there it is. That's how it should look right there. Now we want to go ahead and just pour this into something, set it to the side. We're going to wash this out, and then we're going to get ready to do the mango. Okay? Alright guys, so we have our strawberries in another container right now. We have this clean and we're ready to go. So let's go ahead and do the same exact thing. I have the mango right here. And that is 2 mangoes that we washed, peeled, pitted, and cut up. That's 2 mangoes. All right, so we did that. Then we're going to do the same thing as before and put our special medicated honey in there. All right, so we got our honey in there. I got the top on. The next step is let's make this a puree. Let's do it. All right, that's gonna do it. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do now is we're going to go ahead and take our mango and our strawberry mixtures that we have here, and we're going to put mango, then strawberry, then mango. We're gonna fill it up a third so that way we can have both in there. So let's go ahead and do that right now. You can either, pour it in there if you feel comfortable like that, or you can take a spoon and do it. That's what I'm gonna do, is I'm gonna take a big tablespoon and do it. However you wanna do it is fine. So we got 10 spots right here, and I'm gonna do 5 with this right here. So let's go ahead and do it. All right, so I'm gonna start with this mango. All right, so we got a third of the mango in there. Now we gotta go ahead and do our strawberry. And then finish them off with some more mango. Make sure that you fill them all the way to the top. All right, so we're through with our mango. I'm gonna go ahead and finish it off with the strawberry. All right, guys, so we got that filled up. So we're gonna put the top on here, and we're going to, normally you would go ahead and just take your sticks and put them in there as well, but since we're gonna go ahead and make some more, I'm going to put the sticks in last. We're gonna do the other 5 slots, and then we'll put the sticks in last. So let's go ahead and go on to our second popsicle. We're gonna do that right now, orange creamsicle. Let's do it. All right, guys, so we're moving to the orange creamsicle popsicles now. The orange is pretty simple. It's just orange juice, but we need to make the cream part of it. So let's go ahead and do that. You're first gonna start off with some Greek yogurt. Remember, if you want the exact ingredients, click the link in the description. It's gonna take you over to goodeats420.com. I'll give you the list of the ingredients, pictures, the video, everything that you need. Next thing is the cream. The vanilla extract. And on this one, you can use regular sugar, cane sugar, honey, agave. We're going to use our medicated honey right here, just like we did on the first popsicles. All right, guys, so that's it for that. Now all we got to do is just mix it up. So as you can see, it's a beautiful color. And that's it. We have our orange juice. And so now all we got to do is pour it inside the molds. Let's do it. All right, so we're going to start with the orange juice. On this one, you can do like half and half. It's up to you. There's only 2 things, so. All right, guys, so we got them filled up now. Next thing is, let's go ahead and put on the cover. There we go. Put on the cover. Now we just got to put in the sticks. We're going to put the sticks in, and they're going to go in the freezer, and they're actually going to chill overnight. So when I take them out, I'll definitely show you what they look like. Let me go ahead and put in the sticks, and then they're going in the freezer. This kit came with the sticks that you need. It has bags if you want to do, like popsicles inside the bag. This is just the first popsicle recipes. I definitely will be doing more because I have a lot that I want to show you. And we're going to be doing it with coconut oil as well. So we're just going to take the stick and we're just going to put them in like this. Make sure you put them all the way in. And there we go. All the sticks are in. We're going to put them in the freezer. I'll see you guys in 24 hours. Okay, so since we have 24 hours until our popsicles are going to be ready, let's go ahead and take this time to cover a couple of things. I do want to say thank you very much to Miss Shelesia for actually suggesting today's video. As you guys know, I'm always doing creative things to try to make sure everybody stays involved and feel like they're part of the community. So what I did was I said, hey, suggest something that you want to see on the channel today, and what I'll do is I'll give you 20 bucks if I pick your suggestion. So Miss Shelesia, she's the one that suggested that we do a infused popsicle because of course it's hot right now and popsicles are a great treat. Speaking of popsicles, I do have other popsicle recipes that I'm going to be sharing with you guys, so this is not the very first one. This is just the first of many. Also guys, let me go ahead and take this time to invite all of you guys to join the Good Eats 420 membership program that we have here on YouTube. YouTube just recently gave the channel the ability to have memberships. So for everybody who's looking for more access to me, more access to the information, there's a lot of perks that you get by joining the membership program. So right next to the subscribe button on the channel, right where it says join, make sure that you click that button so that you can see all the benefits. Come on and join up. Let's have some fun. There's a lot of perks that you get and a lot of benefits. So I really hope that I see a lot of you guys joining the membership program very soon. If you guys didn't know, I am a musician and I just released a new track called Jordan. It's on the Bass Drop Militia channel, which is my official music channel. YouTube gave me an official music channel, which is my Bass Drop Militia channel. I'm going to link my new track in the description of this video, so if you're interested in hearing it, make sure that you click it. It'll take you right over there to the Bass Drop Militia music channel. Alright guys, so that's it. That's all that I have to cover right now. We're going to go ahead and wait the 24 hours for our popsicles to be done, and then I'll come back and show you what they look like right after that. Here we go. Alright guys. So it's been 24 hours. Here are the popsicles right here. Now the best thing to do to get them out of here is to run some hot water over this part right here, you know, just to loosen them up. Let's go ahead and run some water on this and then we'll go ahead and take them out. Alright guys, so I just ran some water over this. Let's go ahead and try to take it out. There we go. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Ooh, that's beautiful. Oh, look at that. Creamsicle. Yeah, beautiful. And here's another one. Look at that. Man, this is good. So guys, that's it. We made homemade popsicles. I showed you 2 different recipes. They're both fantastic. If you have any questions or any comments, please leave them in the comment section and I will answer them as soon as I see them. Before we get up out of here, I do want to do our subscriber spotlight. This is whenever I put a spotlight on somebody who has submitted a post on the website or has joined the membership program that we talked about earlier. Today for the subscriber spotlight, I want to spotlight our subscriber, Miss Kelly. Miss Kelly has actually submitted 2 posts to the website, Red Velvet Reese's Cookies and Crunch Blondies. So, Miss Kelly, this right here is your subscriber spotlight. If you want to get spotlighted on one of the upcoming videos, come over to Good Eats 420, submit a post, or join the membership program. Guys, I really appreciate all the love and all the support from everybody. I hope that this video helped you. This recipe is very, very good and you can get highly medicated. So guys, that's it. Thanks for all the love. I really appreciate you. Until I see you the next time, peace and good eats.